Good morning, my dear students. So come to today's class. Today I'll start your exercise 3.3, question number 2. Question number 2 is find HCF of the following by continued division method. So in this case we have to find the HCF in the process continued division method. So before starting this question, let us discuss one example here. Look at the page number 38. Okay, so long division method, which is also known as continued division method. Okay, suppose you have to find HCF of 375 and 825. In example, it is given find HCF of 375 and 825. 375 and 825. Okay, and you have to apply the continued division method. Okay, there are 2-3 methods to find HCF. In this case we have to find the HCF by continued division method. And what is continued division method? Long division method. In this case you have to first say that given numbers are what? Given numbers are 375 and 825. So which one is smaller in this case? So we have to write just since 375 is smaller than 825. 375 is smaller than 825. So now you have to divide 825 by 375. Okay. So look at your book. So therefore by continued division method, we get, okay, you have to do the solve after this line. Okay, I am writing here. Okay, so 825 you have to divide by 375. So 375 into 2 5 are 10, 0, 1 carry on, 2 7 are 14, 14 plus 1, 5, 15, again 1 carry on, 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. All of you do the multiplication by yourself. 375 by 2. I'm again showing the multiplication here. 2 5 are 10, 1 carry on, 2 7 are 14, 14 plus 1, 15, 5 stay here, again 1 carry on, 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Okay. Always multiplication calculation do yourself. So 5 here, you cannot subtract 5 from 2, so you can borrow 1 from the next number. That means from 8, suppose you borrow 1, then it becomes 12. 12 minus 5 becomes 7, and this will remain 8. Remains same, remains 7, so 7 7 0. Okay, so now look at this step. Now 75 remains. Now 75 you have to divide this 375 by 75. This 375 come here. Then the divisor, the first divisor now becomes the dividend. Okay, now and the remainder becomes the second divisor. So 75 you have to divide 75 from 375 from 75. Okay, so 75 I think 5. Okay, so 75 into 5, 5 is 25, 5 2 carry on, 5 7 is 35, 35 is 2, 7. So it becomes 0. Okay, so when you got the 0, in which step the remainder becomes 0, on that step which one is the divisor? 75 is the divisor. That divisor will be the HCF. So look at this language to find this one. The remainder after the first division 75. So 75 division. Okay. Next, after the second division, the remainder is 0 since the last divisor is 75. So look at this one here. You can write here remainder. Here remainder is 0. So therefore the HCF of 375 and 825 is 75. This one. Why? Because by the long division method, whenever you get the remainder 0, then the last division is the HCF of the given numbers. Okay.